Okay folks, warming up your rotator cuff. This is especially important for pressing movements, shoulder workouts, chest workouts, things like that. But every single one of you can benefit from this because it's going to prevent you from getting injured during your sessions or even rehab shoulder imbalances. So what Dan's going to do, we're going to use a cable. You can also use one of the elastic bands. I personally prefer a cable because the resistance is consistent. You can see he's taken a step away with the cable in his opposite arm. We're doing external rotations first. He's rotated his torso ever so slightly towards the machine, so we've got the strength curve right. He's going to bring his elbow into his side and try and fix it there. Once it's there, he externally rotates the upper arm, squeezes it, and then under control allows the arm to pull back in. Externally rotates. Notice how he's trying to keep his elbow close to his ribs. Make sure you're not pulling it out. Even if the range of motion is limited, keep that elbow in tight. There we go, that was better. We'll just go 2 more here. Beautiful, and it's a small range of motion, especially until you've got used to it. Squeeze. Good, relax there. Now we would do usually 10 to 12 per side, maybe 2 to 3 sets. Then we will go to internal rotation. Now rather than spin around, Dan's going to do it with his other arm. So now he's got it in the same hand. I'm going to switch sides. Same thing again. He's going to set his shoulder in, stand up nice and straight. He's going to bring his elbow into his side, allow the arm to externally rotate under the pressure of the cable. From there, he's then going to internally rotate, pulling in. Now this is going to work the rotator cuff again. It's even going to work subclavicular pec here a little bit. And what this is doing, it's warming up the muscles around the shoulder that kind of hold everything in place internally, hold everything in place around the top of the arm. And they can become a little bit unstable, especially if you're a little bit sleepy in there, and that can cause problems with pressing movements. Just 1 more rep. And relax there. So that is how I want you to warm up your shoulders, especially if you have any niggles or injuries.